Hi, this is me Azim, and this is my very first tutorial that I'm going to make to guide you a few warm-up exercises to prevent you from the injuries. As we know that warm-up exercises are very much necessary, right? If you are having a yoga or if you're supposed to do a body weight exercises, right? So I'm going to teach you a few exercises of warm-up that you have to do it before any exercise. So let's start from the jumping. You have to do a very a small jumping. And one thing you have to keep in your mind that you don't have to rest during the exercise, right? Maximum you can rest 10 to 15 seconds, but this is good if you don't rest. I'll switch one by one. Another exercise. And for the modification, you can use your arm. And for the third exercise, first you can use your leg. And for the modification, you can use your